Are you ready to discover the coolest tools that will make your work easier on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best tools of all time. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name Rigid 2702-3 Model 2002 One-Stop 2-in, 1 wrench. The Rigid 2702-3 Model 2002 One-Stop 2-in, 1 wrench is a versatile tool designed to simplify plumbing tasks by combining multiple functions into one. This wrench is particularly useful for working with angle stops, straight stops, and compression couplings, making it an essential tool for both professional plumbers and DIY enthusiasts. Key features and benefits. 2-in-1 design. The wrench's dual functionality allows users to tackle various plumbing components without needing multiple tools. This efficiency saves time and reduces the need for carrying an extensive toolkit. Compatibility. It is specifically designed to fit most standard angle stops, straight stops, and compression couplings, ensuring broad usability across different plumbing scenarios. Ease of use. The Rigid 2-in-1 wrench is engineered for user-friendly operation. Its design facilitates easy gripping and turning, even in tight spaces, which is a common challenge in plumbing work. Product 2. Product name 165-36 amp Electric Hand Planer. The WN65-36 amp electric hand planer is a versatile and powerful tool designed for smooth and precise wood planing. With a 3 to 1/4 inch cutting width and a 6 amp motor, it offers ample power and cutting capacity for a variety of woodworking projects. This electric hand planer is ideal for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts who need to make quick and accurate cuts in soft and hardwood. Key features of the WN65-30 include adjustable cutting depth settings, a rabbiting guide to assist with creating rabbets up to 1 inch, and a dust collection port to keep the work area clean. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle ensure comfort during extended use, reducing user fatigue. Additionally, the included kickstand helps protect both the blade and the work surface when the planer is not in use. Overall, the WN65-30 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and reliable performance, making it a popular choice for those looking to achieve professional results without a hefty investment. Product 3. Product name Freeman PMPN Pneumatic Mini Palm Nailer. The Freeman PMPN Pneumatic Mini Palm Nailer with magnetic tip is a compact, efficient tool designed for driving nails into tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas where traditional hammers or nail guns might struggle. This nailer is particularly useful for tasks requiring precision and control, such as installing joist hangers, metal connectors, or working on projects in confined spaces. Applications. Joist hangers and metal connectors. Ideal for securing these components in tight spaces where a traditional hammer would be impractical. Framing and remodeling. Useful for tasks that require nailing in confined spaces or at difficult angles. General woodworking. Suitable for various nailing tasks and carpentry projects, enhancing both precision and efficiency. Product 4. Product name Rigid CC2-47 Model 101 Close Quarters Tubing Cutter. The Rigid CC2-47 Model 101 Close Quarters Tubing Cutter is a specialized tool designed for precision cutting in confined spaces. This tubing cutter is particularly noted for its ability to handle a range of tubing sizes, from 1/4 inch to 1 to 1/8 inch, making it versatile for various applications. Key features. Compact design. The Model 101 is engineered for use in tight spaces where larger cutters cannot operate. Its small size allows for maneuverability and ease of use in confined areas, such as behind walls or inside equipment. Durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, this tubing cutter is built to withstand heavy-duty use. The silver finish adds an extra layer of durability, ensuring the tool remains in excellent condition even after extended use. Precision cutting. The cutter's design ensures clean, accurate cuts, minimizing the need for additional finishing. This precision is critical in maintaining the integrity of the tubing, especially in applications where Product 5. Product name King Tool 325-piece Home Repair Toolkit. The King Tool 325-piece Home Repair Toolkit is a comprehensive and versatile toolkit designed for a variety of repair and maintenance tasks. Tailored for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and handymen, This extensive set includes an array of tools suitable for general home and auto repairs. Housed in a durable toolbox with a convenient storage case and drawer, it ensures that all tools are organized and easily accessible. The kit comprises 325 pieces, offering a wide range of tools to tackle various projects around the house or garage. This includes essentials such as screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, a hammer, and an assortment of fasteners, along with specialized tools that enhance its utility. The thoughtful arrangement within the storage case aids in keeping the tools orderly, making it straightforward to find and retrieve what you need. Ideal for both seasoned professionals and novices, the King Toolkit is engineered to meet diverse repair needs, making it a perfect addition to any household. Whether it's routine maintenance or unexpected fixes, this toolkit provides the reliability and convenience. Product 6. Product name Craftsman 16-gallon 6.5 peak HP wet/dry vac. The Craftsman CMZB 1759 516-gallon 6.5 peak HP wet/dry vac is a powerful and versatile tool designed for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. With its substantial 16-gallon capacity and robust 6.5 peak horsepower motor, this shop vacuum is well suited for both wet and dry applications, making it an ideal choice for workshops, garages, and job sites. Key features: high capacity. The 16-gallon tank allows for extended use without frequent emptying, which is particularly beneficial for large cleaning jobs. Powerful motor. The 6.5 peak horsepower motor provides strong suction, capable of tackling tough debris and liquid spills efficiently. Versatility. This wet/dry vac can handle a wide range of cleaning tasks, from picking up sawdust and debris in a workshop to clearing water from flooded areas. Attachments. The vacuum comes with various attachments, enhancing its functionality and making it easier to clean different surfaces and hard-to-reach areas. These typically include a utility nozzle, car nozzle, wet nozzle, and crevice tool. Product 7. Product name Rigid 67178 Model RP351 Press Tool Kit. The Rigid 67178 Model RP351 Pro Press Standard Press Toolkit is a comprehensive, high-performance tool set designed for professional plumbing, HVAC, and mechanical contractors. This kit includes the RP351 press tool, known for its reliability and efficiency in creating secure, leak-proof connections in copper, stainless steel, and PX tubing. Applications. The Rigid RP351 Pro Press Standard Press Toolkit is ideal for a wide range of applications, including plumbing, perfect for creating durable and reliable connections in residential and commercial plumbing systems. HVAC, suitable for HVAC installations, ensuring secure fittings in various piping systems. Mechanical contracting, useful for general mechanical work where precise and strong pipe connections are essential. Benefits. Time efficiency. The press tool technology speeds up installation processes significantly compared to traditional methods, reducing overall project time. Reliability. Produces consistent, high-quality connections that meet industry standards, ensuring long-term performance and safety. Versatility. With the range of jaw sizes and the ability to handle multiple types of materials, this kit provides a versatile solution for various projects.